Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start on clean, slightly damp skin to lock in moisture. Scoop about 0.5 to 1 pea size of Luminance Tallow Balm. Warming it between your fingers makes it spread evenly. Gently press and glide the warmed balm into cheeks, forehead, and jaw with upward motions. You want thin, uniform coverage. If it resists, warm a touch longer. Once applied, allow a minute for absorption before layering other products, so you don't trap residue or create pilling. Next, you adapt technique to each zone. Use a thinner, feathered layer on oily T-zone and a slightly thicker deposit on dry cheeks or elbows because tallow is occlusive. Massage with gentle circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds per area to encourage absorption and stimulate circulation. Make sure to give the balm 2 to 3 minutes to settle before adding sunscreen, makeup, or heavier creams. Otherwise, you risk product slip or uneven finish. If you need more hydration, add in very small increments. To finish, you blot any visible excess after 5 minutes with a tissue to avoid a greasy sheen. Otherwise, leave as a protective layer. Adjust frequency. Most people use Luminance Tallow Balm 1 to 3 times daily based on tolerance and climate. If you experience persistent congestion or breakouts, stop use immediately and perform a 24-48 hour patch test on the inner arm before retrying. If irritation continues, consult a dermatologist. This step prevents prolonged reaction and helps identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.